First open Illustrator, and then select circle shape. Take any size like me. After that, copy the circle shape by press Alt button. Copy the circle shape and by pressing Shift make it bigger. Make the same like past one. Now select rectangular shape. Make the same like me. Now copy the rectangular shape by pressing Alt button. Now again, copy it. Copy the group of double circle shape and place it corner of rectangular shape. Do the same like me by pressing Alt button. Select All by Direct Selection tool. Now select Shape Builder tool and modify the shape like me. Now press Alt button to remove extra element of my shape. After making everything clear without shape, it's time to give color on this shape. I used gradient color. You can use any color by your choice. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.